Hey everybody, it's Hailey. Welcome to day 8 of the pumpkin challenge. Today we are making pumpkin pancakes, but not just any pumpkin pancakes. We're gonna make the pumpkin pancakes from Gilmore Girls with homemade cinnamon butter on top. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna make the cinnamon butter. I have half a stick of butter in this bowl here, and I'm gonna whip it up with my mixer. This bowl is way too small. Mix it. Then I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, or you could use honey, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm gonna beat that together again. And I'm gonna put this into the fridge while we make the pancakes. All right, so we're gonna make the pancake batter. I have 3/4 cup of flour here. Then add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon or 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Then of course, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Whisk that all together. And then in this bowl, we're gonna combine all of the wet ingredients. So I have half a cup of milk. I'm gonna add in 1 egg. Make sure you wash your hands. And then I'm gonna add in 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. Ooh. 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm gonna whisk that all together. All right, once you've got your 2 mixtures, I'm gonna pour my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. And you're going to gently whisk those together. Be careful not to over mix your pancake batter. Just very gently. Right, now we're ready to make these pancakes. Get a pan and heat it over medium-low heat. And then you're gonna add some butter to it because we love butter, lots of butter. And you're gonna add 1/4 cup to half a cup of batter, depending on how big you want your pancakes. And when your pancakes are starting to get little bubbles on the top, that's when it's time to flip them. Okay, the pancakes are done and I'm ready to try one. And of course, I gotta put some of this cinnamon butter on there. I got fancy butter. That's really good. Oh, so soft and warm. Definitely not complete without the butter. The butter is so good. Okay, let's see what dessert we're going to make tomorrow. We've got pumpkin Rice Krispie treats. I'm actually excited for this because my family loves Rice Krispie treats. I'm just hoping that the pumpkin with the Rice Krispie treat tastes good because I've never tried that. Thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and click the subscribe button, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!